Good day, traders. This is Rich with some price action. It's currently 4:15, April 23rd, 2020. Pretty good day today. A little messy in the middle here on the SPY. This was around lunchtime or just during lunchtime. We had that weird news about a flop of a vaccine that kind of actually turned the market around to the downside. I think we were going to head up pretty good. And we ended up falling off pretty good after this. With some price action, though, there were some moves to be made and money to be made as well. So what we'll do is just go through the stocks I was looking at today. I removed a bunch because they were just kind of doo-doo. So I'll just focus on the one. BLPH had this nice break of 1650 here. You saw these candles here, and you're looking for the secondary move here of 1650. So that worked out pretty good and actually broke to the highs at the end of the day here. Beyond Meat, fake meat, probably the trader of the day. I got on this move here. You can see here I took the break of this one at 92. Got in there, took my chunk of change, and wussed out. Again, I am just so weak when it comes to selling. I just want to, I'm so risk defensive. It just took off, and I didn't take advantage of it. I just sold all my shares. I only was in for 100 shares or something like that. It's currently showing 25, which was for a different stock. Plus, I was scaling out at 25 shares at a time. But had I just held this all day to 101, I mean, come on. So I did that with another stock too. I did take the break here of 100. You see me at 49.34, which is not much. So I was definitely not taking advantage of these moves. They tried to get up to 100 here, and I took the break of 100 on this candle here. And it had a nice move, and I took a small chunk of change there too. I'm wondering why I only had 49.34 today. I thought I had a little bit more on this one. Maybe I was taking smaller share size than I thought. There's a nice pullback here. Let's go to Codex. I missed this one. There was a call on this one earlier in the day, and the break of this high. It made a nice move up, nice point move up, to be honest with you. Nothing much after the rest of the day. Halliburton was talked about. Nothing really exciting here, but it's gapped up, and it was the short selling was getting squeezed up. So a 9 here break, or 890 actually from here. 890 here to 902. Nothing really big. But I was watching that IMMU. Didn't really look at this one. I was early gap play, but I was having so many problems with my platform once again. Go figure. And it was annoying in the first 30 minutes. I was really having a tough time making trades. This was another stock that was kind of doing a gap play moves, but just chopped people out. So I just stayed out of that one. INSG. This was the break of 13 here. Pretty nice move up to 1347. I missed this one. I did not take that trade. Wish I did. Las Vegas Sands, another company that's been getting decimated by Corona. The break of this level here, 46, made a nice move up to 46.37 or so here and here. Not big, but they were there. The plays are there. This was called in the room. There was some news that came out, and the break of the high of the day around 957 with 10 above it, and just gravitate all the way up to 988. So a nice, if you caught the 960 break here, you're talking a point and a quarter. Nice trade there, and you could have taken the pullback here on these two candles for small little pain and rise up back up to the 1060. So another 40-cent move there. RCL wasn't really, I was looking at it, but because it was running up pretty good for some short squeezes. Roku, I did took it early. I actually took this pullback here, flush of the 126 level. I set my entry around 25.80. I actually had like 4 cents of pain maybe, and it moved up pretty good here. Only for 100 shares or like that. Well, actually only for 50 shares. Nice move for 50 shares. SAVA or SAVA, break at this level. A lot of shenanigans on this one. It skipped over me. Didn't get it. SNBR, no big deal. TDOC, this was the mistake of the day. I was going to look for a trade above 190 here. Never got through there. And as it pulled back, I was testing something on my platform, on the Thinkorswim platform, and I actually hit a buy order. So this is like a buy and a complete stop, or a sale, market sale, and I lost $30 on that trade for 100 shares. I was so stupid. I was kind of angered because I was having a pretty good day until this happened. THMO, that happened right before this. It was the break of 840, and it just slammed right back down. Right here, I got in, it slammed right back down. This was manipulation, and it was trash. Very frustrating. It's the one call I took today from the room, and it failed tremendously. And as you see, it's $19 loss. I was like, I'm only going 100 shares on this, and I got out quick. It's a good thing I didn't load up on shares. I got of anger on that TDOC trade, but no big deal. Tesla, earlier in the day right here, break of the 32 level. Break of the 30 level. And nice run up all the way up to 33.60, almost 34. Actually 34 to the T, I believe. Yeah, 734. So I got a nice move there. 26.50, I almost trading 30 shares. I plan to trade a lot more than that in the future, obviously. Would have been a lot more. And I was kind of selling out pretty quick. You know me, I'm not able to hold. So trade of the day, obviously, was Zoom. I did take this early on. I took the break here of the 159, 160 level. Yeah, 160 level. And I took it up to here I did not get all this. I sold out way too quick. And had I just held it from 160 to it would have been a 9-point trade without an ounce of testing. I mean, it did come back here. I shouldn't say that. So you could have taken the break here of this particular 62.50, and you wouldn't have been stopped out after that all the way to 69.75. Just a strong mover today. And that pretty much wraps up the trades I was looking at. I took 2 different trades on this one. I did take I think a pullback play that worked out pretty good. And overall, I'm happy. It was green day. I'll continue to trade tomorrow. Go into the weekend. I am rebuilding one of my computers. It's an Alienware with 2 1080 Ti video cards and plenty of memory and plenty of hard disk space. It should be super fast compared to what I'm using now, which is a decent computer as well. But it should be more intense and provide better transactions, hopefully, on the platforms, providing better speed. So I'll let you know how that goes over the weekend when I get that figured out. That means I got to do a whole new reinstall and whatnot. So that pretty much sums it up. It's 4:25 Thursday. You guys have a great Thursday. Subscribe and like the video, and I'll be back tomorrow for one more trading day. So long.